In today's video, I will show you how you can write your name at the bottom of your lock screen on your Android device. So, if today is your first time coming across this video, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the bell notification to get notified on newly uploaded videos like this from this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's begin today's tutorial. Open your Settings app on your Android device. Then, scroll up to the Display and Brightness option and click on it. Scroll up again until you see this Lock Screen option and click on it. Tap on this Add Text on Lock Screen option. Then, type whatever you want, either your real name or your nickname in this area. When done, click on Save to finish the process. Now, once you access your lock screen, you will get something like this. Please, if you have watched the video to this far, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified on newly uploaded videos from this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. And also join Highly Practical's Telegram channel via the link in the description of this video to get more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching this video.